Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, I'm Shakay. So in today's video I'll be doing some DIYs. So I have two frames and I decided, well, I have two, my sister has one, and I decided we don't have pictures in them. We don't have, actually one of them still has the, you know, the picture that came in it. I made something one to put in it, but you know, it's not my vibe. So I decided I wanted to make something to put in it. So I'll be doing that today. So if you guys are interested in seeing that, it'd be a little DIY project. If you guys are interested in seeing that, please continue watching. Don't forget guys to give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below what you thought of my DIY, and if you like this, you know, just tell me if you like it so I can actually make more. I actually like to make these things, so if you like it, just tell me down below. And as well guys, please subscribe, hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I make a video. Yeah, so let's get into the video. Alright guys, so far these are the things I have. I have my 3 frames. So I have a 6x8 frame, which is 15 by 20. I have 2 of those, and then I have a 5x7, 13 centimeter by 18. So those are the 3 frames. I have some white cartridge paper, got ruler, markers, scissors, paintbrush, and I have my paint, and I also have the designs I want to do. So I thought about what I wanted and I searched, and I wanted to do something, you know, with this kind of background to it, if it will focus. Yeah, something like that. And I am not sure which one I want at the moment. I want this on one of them, one of mine, and then this on the other one of mine. And I'm gonna do probably a design like this for one of them, and you know, just play around with it, and you guys will see what I come up with at the end. So yes guys, stay tuned for that. So the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try doing the smaller one first, you know. So we're gonna take the paper from inside. We're gonna measure that paper on this, cut it out. So we're gonna cut out the paper and then we continue. So I'm gonna put this aside so I don't break it. I need a pencil. Yes guys, make sure you have a pencil. Okay, you might need that. I did not bring a pencil with me. So I'm gonna try the one that doesn't need any tape first. So I'm gonna take one of my brushes, I'm gonna give it a little wet, then I'm gonna choose my color. I feel like I want like an orange and a yellow kind of look. I don't know. Yeah, I feel like I want that. Ooh, I'm making a mess. So guys, I'm gonna dip my brush into my paint and we're gonna freestyle this. I think I should bring you guys closer. the follow your dreams thing. So it's so this is it. It says follow your dreams. So I'm gonna take it and put it into the frame. We're gonna put this down. I'm gonna put this one over it, and then the back porch, and lock it. And there we go. This is so cute. Imagine this on my dresser. This is so cute. I love this. Alright guys, so my camera battery is dead at the moment. I didn't charge it since yesterday, and I did a video yesterday. So that's what I get for not charging my battery. Anyways, so I'm gonna continue. Anyways, I'm gonna cut out the other paper, you know, the other one. I'm gonna cut it out, and then gonna find a design. I think my design is gonna be in purple and yellow, because purple and yellow are my favorite colors, so why not? All right guys, so I decided to change, so I'm gonna be doing this little part here yellow instead, and then I'm gonna do something else over there. This is what it looks like. I have a clean line, and I might put like something here and have like the purple coming down here and then the white there, or I could do something else. I don't know. All right guys, so this is what it looks like. You know, I kind of messed up, but oh well. I'm not sure if I want to turn it this way or this way, you know, or if I want to add another color. I think I'm gonna leave it. It's kind of cute, but I don't know which way to turn it. I think I'll turn it this way. Yeah, I'm gonna turn it that way. Yeah, and then I'm gonna draw whatever I have to have on it. So I needed you guys to see this because, you know, this did not work out as I wanted it to. It kind of looks cute on camera ish, as in, I mean, the background, but it's not as cute in person. So I'm gonna try something else, but before I ruin the paper, because I only have that piece left, I am going to try it on this, but I have to yeah, just look what I'm gonna do, guys. And on this I'm going to put like the marker thingy. I'm gonna, you know, design it. I kind of want it to be a, I don't even know if nothing I show up on this. No, I'm not seeing anything. Anyways, that was getting arc. Let's try again. Alright, so the red is showing. Red this so, we can red this so, red over here so. You know? And something like one. Then I'm gonna take this purple looking thing, do that there so, that here so, and yes so. Then I'm gonna take the spray bottle and I'm gonna spray it, and then this is where the magic happens now, guys. See this thing here? I'm gonna take this cling wrap thingy and I'm gonna put it on it, and I'm gonna do that. You see me? Oh, mom! It no work out tree bad, but the colors aren't the best and it wasn't done the best. I feel like red and blue would look better. I don't even know. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Comment down below which one was your favorite. Actually, this is my favorite. The one that says follow your dreams. It's actually my favorite. So comment down below which one is your favorite, what you thought of my DIYs, and if you want to see more DIYs, just let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget again to like, comment and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to be notified every time I do a video. Guys, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.